My experience on the electronic music production course was amazing. I learnt so much and I was surrounded by creative people all the time, so it was really, really good.
Yeah, the course really prepares you for life in the industry, just because it's opened my eyes up to all the possibilities that are available in the industry, and you get to meet and talk to so many people that work in the industry, and it just gives you a much better understanding of how to progress in the industry and gives you so many different contacts.
Yeah, the course prepared me for the industry after university, definitely, because I'm using some of the final projects as promotion for myself as an artist now, so definitely, and the collaboration, the huge amounts of collaboration you do at university really prepares you for the industry when you leave.
My favourite thing about dBs is the people. Everyone's just so nice and all the lecturers are so knowledgeable, and all my classmates. You learn so much just from being around everyone.
My favourite module on the course was product delivery, because you can realise ideas that you've had for sometimes years in that project. So I brought to life some of my musical ideas, and there was so much creative freedom and so much scope to do whatever you wanted on that module, so it was really exciting.
The facilities at dBs are amazing, they're world class, and I couldn't really believe it when I came here for the first time. So just having access to those while I study here is amazing.
So the thing I took away from this course the most was the ability to progress my live performance project and really develop my productions from productions to live performance setting.
I'd really recommend dBs to anyone that wants to take their music production to the next level and really commit to it, because it gives you the opportunity to spend time developing your skills, which you wouldn't have if you had a full-time job, and just surrounding yourself with all the people here, all the staff, the students. It really gives you the opportunity to commit to music and potentially make it.
I would really, really recommend this degree because it will definitely help you accelerate your career as an artist. I know it's helped me, so I really recommend it.